began my formative education here at the AFI and as the first woman accepted to the cinematography program. And if it weren't for that education, I wouldn't be standing up here tonight. So it is a very special honor to be here tonight, opening the AFI Film Festival.
Audi did this really amazing thing last year where they chose women to fund their education. So I am the candidate that was picked for the entertainment industry. As a Latina director, I get to decide what kind of stories I tell. I want to put a Latina woman on the screen that is wielding power, that gets us to look past the color of her skin and hopefully inspires an entire youth.
If I could pick one word to describe my experience at AFI, intense. It was super intense. Film is such a powerful vehicle for change and for education because it's an emotional experience.
My experience with AFI has been amazing, like working on cycle films and getting to see my writing actually manifest on the screen. That's never happened before, so that was crazy.
AFI opens the door for more women, and not just AFI, I mean the entire industry is changing.
I've been able to find my voice and the kind of stories that I want to tell. The school has really helped me find the mentors, the teachers, my fellow classmates.
The guest speakers they bring in, the projects we get to do. I mean, honestly, getting to make films every day is, for me, a huge success.
I'm Nancy Silverton, and I'm the co-owner of the MOSA Group. In developing the menu for the Audi Drive Progress dinner tonight, I wanted to showcase some of my favorite female farmers. So tonight it's women, women, women. I think it's terrific when there's a company such as Audi that has the resources to help provide opportunity for women of this industry.